Supper Wednesday. Let's get cooking from skillet to plate. Just take a look in. So grab your boots and come our way. What's for Supper Wednesday?
Hello folks, welcome back for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week what we're going to be doing is a quick, simple, easy steak meal. We caught these on sale out here at the local price list store. And we're going to actually cook them in the air fryer. Instead of standing outside to grill and everything, we just got back in from the garden. So we're going to do this quick and easy. What you'll do, take you some olive oil or your favorite oil. Pour a little bit on top of them here. And then we're gonna just coat the steak up real good with that oil. Now the air fryer, I've got it turned on 400. Now I preheated it for about 5 minutes. I turned it on. Now, me and Carolyn, we're going to cook ours for 6 minutes on each side. Daniel said he'd like to have his on 5 minutes on each side. He likes his just a little bit more rarer than we do. Now, let me get some of this oil washed off my hand. I throw it a little bit over there. Alrighty. Now, you all use whatever seasoning you all like. We like Kinder's The Blend, but whatever seasoning you prefer. And then we're going to sprinkle this on liberally. Press that into the meat real good. Flip them over. We're just using the tray they come in. Now our air fryer is a little bit on the smaller side, so we're only going to be fixing 2 at a time. And by the way, we've let the meat sit out for about an hour to come to room temperature. Alrighty, let's open it up here. We'll try to lay these in. Yeah, that would fit in there good. Alright, now let's slide this in, set it for 5 minutes, and then we're going to flip them over. We'll be back in just a little bit. Alrighty, this is after 5 minutes. Now we're going to flip them over in there. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Didn't mean to move yous away. Alrighty. Now we're going to put it back in now for another 5 minutes. Alrighty, this is after 6 minutes on the other side. We're going to let them rest. I'm going to cut just a little bit of butter here and place on top. We'll show you the taste test here in just a minute. Alrighty, there you have it. Now, we'll cut a piece off here and let them try it. This is Daniel's steak here.
Look how tender that is.
Alrighty. There you go, folks. Here you go, Dan.
Alrighty.
Let me grab Shug here a piece.
That is delicious.
Very good and tender.
And fast and easy. We fixed the fries in the air fryer also. We just sprayed a little bit of olive oil on those. Throw them in there for 10 minutes. Alrighty, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Take care. Lord willing, be seeing you soon.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching as we close this song. At Homeland's Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Homeland's Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn.